Hey! There are so many ways to veganize fast food these days and so many fast food restaurants offering vegan options. Today we're going to try one of my favorites, one of the first. We're going to go to Taco Bell. Walk backwards. Come over here. And here it is, Taco Bell. So what you do when you go to Taco Bell is you order chalupas. You order tacos, hard or soft, and you ask for it fresco style. That's the key word for leaving out cheese and sour cream that we're gonna add on when we get home. So in today's order, I have 2 chalupas. We replaced the meat with beans. It has the shredded lettuce and the tomatoes, and 2 hard tacos. I'm going to add today my new favorite hot sauce. You can tell by how much I've eaten. It's sweet and spicy. It's made by Tabanero, and it's an agave spicy hot sauce. It's so good. So what I want to do today is just a very simple ramp up your Taco Bell order when you get home with your vegan cheese and sour cream. So I'm going to start with a chalupa. Move these off to the side. So there's something about that chalupa shell. I'm pretty sure it's because they fry it, but it's this crispy, flaky deliciousness. And inside this taco, which by the way, I don't recommend always opening your food and inspecting it because sometimes it's not a pretty sight.
It looks really fine, doesn't it? What is this?
But today we're going to put in some of our vegan cheese right on top. And you can see there again, I mean, what a way to spend your Tuesdays. And then here we're going to squeeze on some sour cream. Today I'm using tofutti sour cream, which comes out in a really cool shape. Oh my God, I'm like a taco artist.
It's that easy. Let's take a little bit of the paint thinner, a little bright red, and we'll sign this little rascal.
Look at this thing. And so now this one chalupa is ready to go. And just for the sake of this episode, I'll do the same thing for one of these hard tacos. So what's cool about these hard tacos too is that these happen to also be gluten-free. So if you are gluten-free and vegan, you can go to Taco Bell, order up the corn-style hard taco, and come home, put on your vegan cheese. This is Daya cheddar. I recommend Daya or follow your heart. There's a lot of really delicious vegan cheeses out there. Again, looking just like a taco. And then using our sour creamerator to dress it up with some tofutti sour cream. And you can't even imagine how good that's going to be. So there are a lot of fast food options out there. Taco Bell's super simple. Bring it home, put some cheese on it, sour cream on it. Comment, like, and subscribe.